Welcome back to Oneself. These sessions are raw and honest, a window not only into our live trading, but into our self talk, doubts, and emotions in real time. Because remember that trading isn't just about charts and strategies, it's about honesty, self awareness, and the discipline to master yourself. What you'll hear is totally unfiltered, the inner journey most traders never share. Let's begin. As you can see, I'm currently into a long position. Today is 25th of September 2025. It's 10 minutes to 10 and trading NQ futures, December contract. And right there, I just got stopped out. Showing the entries that I had today and asking myself if I got stopped out for one tick again, because last week, remember that I had the same situation. There's a video in this channel you can go and watch. So let's see what the markets wants to do. Looks like it was a one tick stop. Now typing where the partials were before getting stopped out. Just to remember the trade that I wanted to take. And now I type let's tape read it. It really took me out for one tick stop. I cannot take more trades today as I already had two, this one and the previous one before the open, and my trading plan says just 2 trades a day. It's a rule. At this point it doesn't look as a one tick stop because the price moved beyond my stop level, and also looks like I was wrong with that idea. And right there is just new data release, creating a lot of volatility in the market. And I can see that it's respecting the inversion fair value gap low. Let's see if it holds there. And because it's holding, I say let's tape read it and release all the motions that came from that stop, because watching the trade play out on the same direction as the initial idea, it's the plan now. Learning from a trade like this is the best choice. And if I would have another chance today, I would have entered around 24,480 long. So because I cannot take that trade, I propose to simulate that entry and see how far it goes to my initial targets. I just highlight where the hypothetic entry would be and the stop loss as well. So this way we can visualize how the trade goes. And this way we are inside of a simulation trade. Let's just watch it, reach our initial targets and be happy for it, even if we are not inside of the market. This is a more mature approach than quickly jump in, violating your own rules from the trading plan. This is the way to build discipline to avoid FOMO, fear of being wrong, and even tilt. Let's see if it reaches our first partial. So far, so good. Do you feel the relief from the motions now? Now I would move the stop loss to break even, just in case, because ES and Dow took the high and NQ didn't. So that smart money divergence made me secure the position as break even. And there you go, first target reached. Now trailing the stop loss to an invalidation level. And wait. And be patient. Beautiful, right? Now avoid thinking, yes, more beautiful if I was in the trade. Instead, say to yourself, the idea was great and the execution even better because you didn't let yourself jump in again into the emotional spiral and still learning from the trade. Positive self-talk is always important, especially on days like this where we don't have the outcome we would like. Okay, now I'm watching whether it wants to reach the second target, but so far, so good. If takes the higher high, I'm trailing the stop a bit more aggressive now, as we are in a higher time frame sell program, and I don't want to be surprised with a long candle down. This way we can lock profits and avoid worrying whether finally reaches the end target or not. And just like that, like it's magic, second target reached. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Another 600 ticks booked and just the last position remaining. That's an ideal situation to be in. And just leaving the stop at the same level and let the trade run. Our job is done for today. Either way, the market provides us with the full position or not. This is the right mindset to have. Because right now I took 75% of the full position in profits. The remaining 25% is still on, but I could care less if it goes to the final target or not. Most important thing is that I'm consistent and profitable even when I'm not into the trade. Just feel how much better you feel now after having the discipline to stop once reaching the max trades per day and still watch the same trade idea go to the desired targets. It gives you inner strength to continue pursuing this career of trading full time. Given it's 10:30, we want to see if there is any shifting market structure, but still letting the trade play out. This is a key time. This is a key time for reversal. However, if it takes the higher high, I'm trailing the stop a bit higher just to secure a bit more profits. The stop loss is highlighted in red now, so it's clearly visual. Right now, patience is key to let the trade run to the final target instead of micromanaging the stop. Reversal, maybe? Even if you haven't taken the higher high yet, I'm trailing a stop to take advantage of the move, as the market is on a key time to reverse, and it's showing signs to do so. So that way I lock more profits. With this, we lock a 3 risk reward trade, which is great. Remember that trading is a risk-oriented profession, and we always have to look to minimize the risk while trading inside of the market, including when we are on a winning trade. There is absolutely nothing wrong with taking profits, and squeeze the lemon once it's in a profit area. Avoiding the mentality of all or nothing is key in this competitive environment. The solution is to take partials along the way, and it's a beautiful way. This way, either way goes to the full position or not, you are still profitable and consistent. Today we have lost one trade and the break-even-ish for the other one, but we have gained consistency and discipline together with emotional capital to keep trading long term. And believe me, having an objective long term in this business is very important. It's such a great difference between today and pushing your limits to go on tilt. Higher high taken. Will it go to the final target? Let's see. The stop loss is already in a good place, so I'll leave it there and let the trade run to the final target if it wants to. Nice delivery so far. I love it. This is what makes trading the best profession job in the world. Being able to see this in advance is such a gift from life, God, the universe, whatever you want to call it. So be grateful, even on the days that you don't get the outcome you desire. And please, do not fall into the victim mentality of being sad today as the market goes without you to the same direction you predicted without you, because that is a trap. There's a massive divergence now between all the correlated assets, ES and QYM. So not surprised if it turns around and changes program from buy to sell. And you know what's the best part? That the stop loss does its job, so there's nothing to do for us. Just watch and be patient. And remember to always take screenshots, journal, and practice positive self-talk. Days like today, it's super important because these are the days that make the difference overall. These are the days that, if we do it right, we avoid going on tilt, we avoid FOMO trading, and we save ourselves a lot of emotional capital and even capital. And again, if we take the higher high, I'm trailing the stop loss a bit further to lock a bit more profits. Because right now looks like it's consolidating. And even time distortion. Let's see what happened at 11. There's just 1 minute left, which is another key time. $11 a.m. now. Let's see. Keep watching, even when I'm in silent. And do not desist right now. This is the last chance for the market to go to the final target. Otherwise, we will get stopped out in profit. In a beautiful profit. Watching that fair value gap closely, whether it gets inverted or not. I like that reaction. If we can invert it, we are in a good place. But quickly, the market reacted the opposite way. So maybe we are stopped out. And there you go, stopped out. Very nice hypothetical simulated trade. Thank you for watching. It's been a pleasure.